Are you planning a solo trip and looking for ways to meet locals? In this video, we will share some valuable tips that will help you connect with people from different cultures and make your solo travel experience even more enriching. One of the best ways to meet locals while traveling solo is to immerse yourself in the local culture. Visit local markets, attend cultural events, or join a cooking class where you can interact with locals who share a passion for food. This will not only help you learn about their traditions and customs but also create opportunities for meaningful conversations. Choosing locally owned accommodations like homestays, guesthouses, or boutique hotels can greatly enhance your chances of meeting locals. Not only will the owners and staff be more knowledgeable about the area, but you may also find fellow travelers who are eager to connect with the local community. It's a win-win situation. Social media platforms and travel apps can be powerful tools for connecting with locals. Join local Facebook groups or use travel-specific apps that allow you to meet up with like-minded individuals or find local events and activities. You can also reach out to locals directly through these platforms and ask for recommendations or even meet up for a cup of coffee. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way in breaking the ice with locals. Even if you stumble through the pronunciation, locals appreciate the effort and are often more willing to engage in conversation. Carry a pocket-sized phrasebook, use language learning apps, or take a language class before your trip to feel more confident in your interactions. When trying to meet locals, it's important to be respectful and approachable. Smile, maintain open body language, and show genuine curiosity about the local culture. Avoid behaving like a tourist and be mindful of local customs and etiquette. By showing respect, you'll create a positive impression and increase the chances of connecting with locals. Meeting locals while traveling solo can be an incredibly rewarding experience. By immersing yourself in the local culture, staying in locally owned accommodations, leveraging social media and travel apps, learning basic local phrases, and being respectful and approachable, you'll have a higher chance of making meaningful connections and creating lasting memories.